video I'm going to show you what are all the problems that you will come across when you are started to unlock that airtel 4G hotspot. And in this video I have using this model E5573Cs-609, and to unlock this there are lots of tutorials on YouTube, so I'm not going to show you the tutorials. I'm just going to show you what are all the things that are not covered on those tutorials. I mean the problems that will surely come across. Okay, let's get into this video and I will show you there are few problems. Let's start. The first problem is most of you don't know how to remove these screws. I'm not kidding. These screws needs special drivers. You can see here. It has 6 corners, I mean 6 edges. For this you need this screwdriver set. It costs you around 120. I bought it in offline store and it is available in online too. I will provide the link in the description, you can check it out. Now it's very easy to remove these screws, and I came across some issue that you can see here, right? White color paint or something like paper, or I don't know what it is. So first while removing this, I removed all these screws. There is no problem with it. While removing this two pieces, I mean the top and the bottom, I got stuck here with some like tightened already there fixed. I didn't first notice that there is a screw over there because they actually pasted a paper over it, and I thought it is just for design, but it's not it. You need to squeeze this paper to see that screw and then remove the using the same screwdriver. Okay, so to squeeze it you just need to put this thing and roll it and the paper will be came out, or something like paint, it will be removed. Then you will remove this screw and it will open without any problem. So this is the first problem I came across in hardware side. And in other things like software size and all, we will continue in the computer. And in software side, and you all need these files, and I already told you I'm not going to show the tutorials, and you can see these files in the YouTube links of the tutorials. You can see there are lots of tutorials in YouTube, so I'm not going to attach any of these files. If you want, I can attach the video link of those YouTube tutorials. So the first thing is, wherever you install these softwares and all, you must run it as administrator. And if you don't run the softwares in administrator mode, you won't be able to access the hotspot even though it is connected to the PC. So that's the second problem. After that hardware issue, I mean the first one is screw removing. The second one is you need to run as administrator. Now while I am in this screen, when I am searched for the hotspot, I am not able to find my hotspot. That is, it shows modem not found. And what's the problem here is, you have done all the things right, means your hotspot is in a switched off mode. You need to switch it on back, because but lights will be blinking. It will be like charging like that. You need to switch on the hotspot, then you need to click on that search icon once again. So it will search for the hotspot once again and it will be detected. So after starting the hotspot, wait for around 30 to 40 seconds. So after it started this screen, now click on search. It will be like checking network adapter, all those things, status comes on the bottom side. Now you can see the hotspot is detected. In this case, if you have done the previous steps, I mean the unlocking, if you done all those things correctly, it will be open like that. That must be the issue. So restarting. So you forget that starting of that hotspot. And in some scenarios, while you are unlocking, you forgot to insert the battery, means there's another problem, it won't be unlocked. So these are the issues.